welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm gonna do a chit chat get ready with me, sharing with you guys all of the makeup items that I use to make my everyday makeup face that you see here. And I'm also gonna give you guys a quick Pan That palette update for my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Instant Eye palette. It comes in that big Pillow Talk luxury like gift set. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this face, catching up with me and what is inside, what my eyeshadows look like in here, then keep watching. It has been a crazy couple months. I don't even remember the last time I did a chit chat get ready with me with you guys, but I am doing it today, which is so fun. I officially, as of yesterday, have a 2-month-old baby girl, which is still mind-blowing to me. Right now I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Original, but it has been really great. I've loved having a daughter. I know I'm going to continue loving having a daughter. It's just something special about it now that I have Jackson, who is my son. He is 3.5 years old, and then I have her. We've had an amazing 2 months. Jackson is like the best big brother ever. He is always singing to her and making silly faces. Now, he doesn't know how to always be quiet and that kind of stuff, but overall, he was so ready to be a big brother. I'm so excited. So, if you haven't seen, I did do a video of how we prepped Jackson, my toddler, to be a big brother. I will link that video up above for y'all interested if y'all have baby number 2s on the way or are planning to have a baby number 2. The tips in that video are amazing and definitely helped Jackson transition pretty easily. And then I am still panning. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye Palette in Pillow Talk, and I got this with the huge Charlotte Tilbury box. I can link that video up above for you guys too, and I have been using it consistently for a year, and that is the progress I have on it. So pretty good, but not as much pan and empty product as I'm used to. I've panned Urban Decay shadows, Too Faced shadows, all that kind of stuff. These are definitely more packed, and I think they're a little bit more pigmented as well. Could also be I used it fresh and panned it fresh right when I got it, versus a lot of Pan That palettes, you typically pick your older eyeshadow palettes. So this one has definitely had a lot of use throughout the year. Every time I put on my makeup, I use this palette, and I'm only really going to be finished with 2 shadows in there. So I'm really happy for this palette. I definitely want the smokier version of it as well that they sell right now. So definitely something to check out if you're interested. They also, I believe, still sell this one and this one. It was really great. I love still using it. So what I like to do everyday basis is use this kind of peachy orange shade called Desk. Well, that's the Desk Trio, and I just kind of take a fluffy brush and do my crease. I mean, it's been since before Halloween I've talked to you guys like this on my channel. A lot of y'all may notice I definitely have a lot more lifestyle content, Amazon product content, mommy content, but that's currently where my life is right now, is involved surrounding my children. I have the toddler, like you guys know, and the baby, and they are my world right now. So I love finding new products and sharing them with you, as well as things for the house and me and stuff. So that will not go away, but I hope to sprinkle in more beauty content here and there as well. I'm going to go in to this Date Trio and use this light brown just to kind of darken the outer corner. She's right now sleeping. She loves her naps in her car seat, but I think it's just because she has to love her naps in her car seat. On the road with Jackson, we're always doing activities, he has school, things like that. So she takes a lot of her car naps and falls asleep very easily in the car. So when we have boring days where we don't do much, she is not the biggest fan of naps, and it's harder to get her to sleep because she's so used to just falling asleep in the car. But other than that, life has been pretty good. My husband right now is taking my car to the car place. He just did it last week, but there's like a squeaky tire and we're hoping it's nothing too serious. Someone mentioned that it could be the car axle kind of thing, so we're hoping it's not that. It's not, when we got it, he got it last year as like my Christmas present, but it wasn't a new car or anything. I think it was 1 or 2 years old, and I'm just using that shimmery shade from the day all over. This is the first year like I'm done pretty much with all Christmas presents and stockings and all that kind of stuff. I have 2 people still I need to get, but I feel so productive, and our Christmas trees are up. I have like 5 trees in the house now, 2 little ones and things like that. So it feels really good to have a lot of the Christmas stuff almost done before Thanksgiving. And I know that's like a controversial subject. I'm using the Wet n Wild Bare Focus tinted hydrator. Love this stuff. I'm in the shade light medium. With having a baby and a toddler and only so many preschool days after Thanksgiving, like I just have been having my husband bring down 1 box slowly every couple of days, and that's been so nice, so I can like manage it all. I feel like sometimes like Christmas just kind of everything happens in those 4 weeks after Thanksgiving, or I guess less than 4 weeks. So it's nice to just have a head start on everything before everything feels rushed and you can't really enjoy the holidays. I do plan on doing a lot of Christmas content here on my channel. I'll share with you guys some of our favorite recipes. I plan on doing a lot of baking and stuff here. I'm definitely more of a baker. A lot of y'all were asking for like more food dinner ideas, and I do cook here and there, but I have picky eaters. My toddler used to be like the best eater, and my husband used to be the best eater, but they definitely are a little bit more on the picky side, so we'll see about that. A lot of those cooking videos I did when Jackson was a good eater and my husband was working, so he would eat it with me. But now that Jackson and I like eat, he's definitely more in wanting his normal toddler kind of food. I'm not wanting to be too adventurous. But I will definitely share with you guys what I'm making. If y'all want to, I can do, I've seen the what's for dinner, like the weekly dinners, but it's gonna be like a real life episode. Like tonight for dinner, because I have a lot going on, I'm probably gonna just do a frozen bag of pasta, or like super sandwiches, what we call them, when you kind of heat it up and broil it in the toaster oven. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I use light neutral, but I don't do full-blown fancy dinners all the time. And that's just the reality of the situation. But I do like to share the recipes and stuff that I do use, so I can link the recipe playlist for you guys who are interested. I do even have like some Christmas cookie recipes in there as well. This is the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder, my favorite powder for every day. I also really like the Hourglass Dim Light powder. That is definitely a whole lot pricier. So this is my everyday powder. Bronzer, Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil. I love the packaging of this thing, and this smells like cocoa. There is cocoa powder in it. I feel like back in the day though, it was a lot stronger of a cocoa like chocolate scent. It's not as strong anymore, and this is relatively new. I think they just kind of changed their formula and ingredients, like how much they put in it. Blush, I've pretty much been using every day for a year. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Chic to Chic, and I just use a smaller blush brush, circle it around, get it in my cheeks. And then that center part, I like to use a like pencil liner and put it right in the middle of my eyeshadow and the inner corner. And then I use the middle on a highlighter brush and just kind of apply it on the tops of my cheekbone. Liner, Stila Stay All Day Liquid Liner. We're going to curl my lashes. This is super old from Tarte, but my favorite. I did just purchase a new one of it. This is, like I said, getting really old and crusty and yucky. I love that Target and Ulta paired together, so I just ordered it with my Target groceries. It looks like this. It's a little bit more like leopard cheetah print. So I just got that. That should be coming here very soon. Mascara, still using the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express. Love the waterproof version. I like to go in to my brows. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Just has like a little spoolie guy there. You guys know I talk about this all the time. And I just kind of apply it through my brows. And it just kind of tames them. Gives a nice sheer color over it. Not like too much color, just kind of darkens it a bit. And then my lipstick I use on an everyday basis. It's the Charlotte Tilbury. This is just the plain Pillow Talk. And I am almost done with this. Look how much. And I got this last year, like I said. So going through it, I know some people pan lipsticks a lot more. I've noticed with this one, like, I don't have to keep reapplying. The color kind of stays on my lip, but I also don't keep it with me. I keep it in like my bathroom. I do have a Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss that stays in my car for any touch-ups and things like that. But that is everything for this everyday makeup look. Literally wear this every time I put on makeup right now. These are like my go-to products and things I use on an everyday basis. Anything else that is in here that I didn't put on? I do have this little quad here. This is the luxury palette from Charlotte Tilbury and I do reach for this very often as well. And you can see I love the light shades. But other than that, that is all that I keep in here. And like I said, I use it on an everyday basis anytime I get my makeup. Just really easy to just have everything in this little bag. I do still have my vanity upstairs. So I'll share with you guys here very soon my makeup collection for 2021 and kind of how I store all the other makeup. But for everyday basis, I just use this little bag. Lame, but it's reality when you have 2 kids. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with me, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach with our freedom.